I want to change your wardrobe game, and you're probably tired of wearing those skinny jeans all day long, and you know they're dead. Like, let's be real. Rest in peace, bro. They're gone. They're gone at this point. So I'm going to give you 6 better alternatives that were way better than skinny jeans in the first place, and they're going to make you look better. Number 1, shoot, I'm wearing it right now. Probably one of my most favorite pants today. It's the carpenter pant, right? It's a looser cut. It's nice and comfortable, bro. In the summer, it's not even hot. It's so airy in these pants. Yo, my balls are thinking, right? They're bouncing all over the place. I got room for them to breathe. And then on top of that, you got all this extra baggage for all your extra stuff. Yo, it looks sick, bro. Number 2, linen pants. This is a power move, right? This is the boss move. This is the dude that, look, I want to be refreshed, but I still want to let people know I got money. I still want to let people know I'm moving in silence. I got the business deals going on. That's your linen pant, right? That's your linen pant. The linen pant, bro, it can either be a smart trouser where it's a little bit more casual like these, or it can be nice and tailored like these that you're seeing. One is from H&M, the other one's from Suit Supply. Both of them are a great option, and again, it shows you one thing. Price point doesn't matter, right? Whether it's a $30 linen pant or a $200 custom pant, they both look equally good. Number 3, sweatpants. I don't care if it's summer, spring, winter, fall, you need to have sweatpants. Sweatpants need to be in your rotation. Boys, this is your thirst trap. I don't know how to tell you this. This is a superpower, bro. Like, you know how when girls wear leggings, right? They just look good, bro. Like you can't take your eyes off of them, look good. That's the effect that you have when you wear sweatpants. Now explain to me why you don't have a good pair of sweatpants. I'll wait. I'm gonna wait for this one. There is no excuse, especially because your older brother, shoot, I designed the best sweatpants in the world. Yo, our sweatpants from Essentials, undefeated. Undefeated. It uses the same fabric as this half zip that I'm using right now, which is also from Essentials, which if I were you, I'd buy the sweat. I'd buy the whole suit. Full zip or the half zip and the sweatpants together, bro, that is a killer combo. Just look at how good this looks. And you can buy it in, I have it in multiple colors. If I were you, I would buy several colors. Matt, you know what? Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a sale. Not a store sale, all right? We don't do sales like that, but just on the sweatpants. I wanna hook you up when it comes to pants. I can't hook you up on the other stuff, but I can hook you up on sweatpants. And if you want the best sweatpants in the world, I'm gonna hook it up. Right now, today, 24 hours, you already know the drill, bro. Starting now, right now, 24 hours. You guys can use the code down below and get 30% off any sweatpant off the store. If I were you, boys, I would stock up on colors right now. You're not gonna see this again, and it's only 24 hours, which means the dudes that watch this a day from now, I'm sorry, you guys missed out, and the dudes that didn't take action and decided to buy tomorrow, you also missed out. You're gonna have to pay for, why would you wanna pay full price for the best sweatpants in the world? If you guys wanna check out Essentials, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, I call it the smart trouser, and it's one of my favorites because it's that mesh. Remember when I talked about the baller guy, right? The dude that has the business deals, yeah. But you also want to be comfortable, that's that mesh, right? That's that mesh. And I call it the smart trouser because it does 2 things. 1, you look like the boss still, but 2, the smart fabric is more breathable. It's a performance fabric, so during the summer, you're chilling, bro. It's breathable, it's comfortable, and it looks good. Number 5, mesh shorts. So your boy was supposed to drop mesh shorts for spring, summer of Essentials, and we're effed. We're basically effed, right? Supply chains, yada, yada, I don't want to bore you. But basically, your boy is dealing with a lot of issues when it comes to all this stuff because there's shortages and they're taking forever, which is pissing me off. But you can still buy mesh shorts from other brands that look sick. And the point is, you just want the mesh short. Bro, mesh shorts are sick. They're comfortable. It's kind of like that vintage, like 90s feel to them. But also, they're breathable, bro. You got that airflow, they look good, and it's a little bit different than the shorts that most people would be wearing, which ultimately rolls us on to number 6, and it's the cargos. Bro, cargos, they're still strong, bro. They're still strong. And if you don't got a good pair of cargos, it is gonna be the best alternative to skinny jeans. Again, similar to the carpenter pant, right? You got all the pockets for extra versatility, for extra functionality. They also look good. They're also timeless. And you're ready to go. Those 6 pants I talked about today will completely revamp your entire wardrobe. You'll even forget you ever wore skinny jeans in your entire life. Once you wear the 6 pants I talked about in this video, you'll never reason as to why you ever wore skinny jeans. These 6 are way better. That's it for me today, boys. See you next time.